Now that you know what click-drive media is, the question is, why should you use this traffic source? Well, for one thing, I do know of marketers who are actually using this traffic source successfully. And many of the people who purchase traffic from click-drive media are coming back every month to buy more traffic from them. So basically, the fact that these guys have a lot of happy customers shows that, hey, people like the quality and the results from this traffic. Another reason to use click-drive media, or at least try it out, is that it's good to diversify your income. Okay, and unlike other traffic sources where a lot of the traffic you get are just bots, the hits that your site will be getting are from real people. Okay, so the hits you receive from expired domain traffic are real people viewing your site. And as I said in the previous video, the traffic you get from here is really cheap. It's less than 1 cent. It actually says on their site here. Let's see. Let's just go right down here. It says their prices start from just $0.00012 per unique visitor.